Her promotion was blank, her hard work, due to or because of. What should we write here? She smiled, blank, the good news, due to or because of. Well, we use due to and because of for the same purpose, and we use due to and because of to show reason or cause of something. Remember, they both answer the question why. We use both for the same purpose, reason or cause of something, and they both answer the question why. But their sentence making structure is quite different. For due to, we follow this formula structure: subject plus verb to be, like is, was, be, been, are, etc., plus due to noun or noun phrase. For because of, we follow subject, then main verb, because of noun, noun phrase, or gerund. Now let's come back. Her promotion was blank, her hard work. Here our keyword is was. That's our verb to be, and after verb to be we follow due to. Due to. Her promotion was due to her hard work. She smiled. It's our main verb, and after main verb we follow because of. She smiled because of the good news. Why she was promoted? The answer is due to her hard work. She was promoted due to her hard work, and we get the answer of why. The question why. She smiled. Why did she smile? Because of the good news. Okay. Number 3. They won the match. Blank, good teamwork. Due to or because of. Won, it's our main verb, and after main verb we follow because of. They won the match because of good teamwork. Why they won the match? Because of good teamwork. Number 4. My improvement in English is blank, daily practice. Our keyword is here verb to be, and after verb to be we follow due to. My improvement in English is due to daily practice. Number 5. The child cries, blank, pain. Cries, main verb. Okay. So after main verb we follow because of. We add here because of. The child cries because of pain. Number 6. The clean environment is blank, everyone's efforts. The clean environment is verb to be again. So due to everyone's efforts. Let's go ahead. Negative. For negative we follow subject, verb to be, not, due to, noun or noun phrase. And for because of we follow subject, do not, did not, was not, etc. Then main verb because of noun, noun phrase or gerund. Number 1. He did not come blank the rain. Subject did not and main verb. Subject did not and main verb. So we add here because of. He did not come because of the rain. Number 2. The problem is not blank the new system. Is verb to be. After verb to be we have here not and we add here due to. The problem is not due to the new system. Number 3. I didn't cancel the plan blank him. I did not cancel the plan blank him. Did not and main verb cancel. Okay, so we add here because of. I did not cancel the plan because of him. For interrogative we follow initially verb to be, subject, due to, noun, noun phrase and finally question mark. For because of we follow helping verb, subject, main verb, because of, noun, noun phrase or gerund, question mark. Gerund means V plus ing form. V plus ing form. Number 1. Did he miss the class blank the rain? Focus on the structure, dear guys. Did, it's our helping verb, then we have our subject and miss our main verb. So we follow because of. Did he miss the class because of the rain? Number 2. Is her absence blank illness? Is, our keyword is and it's our verb to be, and if we have our verb to be in the beginning starting point, so we follow due to. Is her absence due to illness? Number 3. Were the lights out blank a power failure? Were, verb to be and we add here due to. Were the lights out due to a power failure? Practice time, dear guys. Read 4 filling the blanks carefully and leave your answers in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I hope today's lesson was really helpful for you people. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lesson. Take care.